Hey everyone, today we're diving into the latest buzz around the Greater Vancouver housing market. First off, it looks like the housing market is really heating up. More homeowners are deciding to sell, which means we got a lot more houses hitting the market. Check this out. In February alone, 2,070 homes were sold. That's 13.5% jump from last year. But guess what? It's still not as high as it was seeing this time of year, lagging behind about 23.3%. Now, here's where it gets interesting. There's about 4,560 new listings last month. That's a massive increase, about 31.1% compared to last year, putting us right back on track for the usual February frenzy. If you're wondering about prices and they're climbing, the average home price hit 1,183,300. That's up 4.5% compared to last year and even up 1.9% compared to January. So what does this all mean for you? According to leading economists in Greater Vancouver, this uptick in listings is great news. It's easing up the pressure from January, giving buyers like you more options as we head into spring. That's right, more choices mean better chances of finding your dream home. So if you've been on the fence about diving into the market, now might be a perfect time to start looking. All right, folks, that's a wrap in our deep dive into the Greater Vancouver housing market. If you're planning to buy or sell, it looks like the market's getting lively.